The PN40 is the latest generation of ultra-compact, silent mini PCs from ASUS. It's perfect for businesses and consumers who need a mini PC they can customize to their needs. The fanless design means that this mini PC is whisper quiet. It measures 4.5 inches square by 1.9 inches tall and weighs in at only 1.5 pounds. This PC's small size makes it ideal for keeping a tidy workstation or for mounting to the rear of a monitor. But don't mistake its small size for a lack of processing power or utility. This PC is equipped with an 8th generation Intel Celeron processor, 4K-ready Intel UHD Graphics 600, supports up to 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and your choice of M.2 or 2.5-inch SSD storage. There's also full connectivity with 802.11ac Wi-Fi, gigabit LAN, and Bluetooth. For the more demanding user, this mini PC can be easily customized to the configuration you need. The side panel slides out, revealing space for an M.2, 2.5-inch SSD, as well as RAM, which can be installed or swapped out later. This mini PC is capable of outputting up to 4K resolution on multiple displays through HDMI, mini DisplayPort, and VGA. On the front, you'll find a single USB 2.0 port and dual USB 3.1 ports with one Type-C connection, and an audio jack. On the back panel, there's an HDMI port, mini DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, a single LAN port, a DC power plug-in, and one VGA port with COM port options available. The VGA and COM port options allow you to run the legacy devices that drive your business, such as scanners, printers, and digital signage. The PN40 is a blank canvas that you can customize to suit your needs, whether it be for business, the classroom, or everyday home usage. If you have any questions about the PN40 Mini PC, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.